subscribe to my channel, and also press this bell icon.
So welcome to my channel Fakhruddin Academy Physics. Today I will discuss such a easy and beautiful technique where you can do this problem in 10 seconds and get rid of Kirchhoff's law. Kirchhoff's law is going to waste your lot of time. So use Millman's theorem. You might have not heard the name, but I'll tell you how it is. So find the current across 2 ohms. So this is the voltage. This is the electric resistor across which you have to find out the current, that is 2 ohms. Then how you are going to find out? You just avoid Kirchhoff's current law and voltage law, which is going to waste a lot of time, and do this problem in just 10 seconds by using Millman's theorem. How is it do? How is it possible? That I am going to discuss here. First thing is, you just find out what is the common potential along this circuit here. So you just modify this circuit like this. You just modify this circuit in this way. Why? What is the meaning of this modification? See, 4 ohms instead of drawing here, you just take 4 ohms within this 2 points, and this is 2 ohms. And 1 ohm, instead of drawing here, you can draw 1 ohm here. Okay, why is it so? Because it makes very easy for you to solve the problems when you take all the gadgets in only single parallel lines here. Okay, gadgets in the sense resistors and batteries here. Let us see how we are going to do this problem. For that, you just do one thing. You have to apply the basic formula. What is that? Ohm's law. So V is equal to I into R. This you are going to do. I is equal to V by R can be written as I divided by 1 by R, because R comes to numerator in the same way. Then what are you going to do? Can I write this I as E by R according to Ohm's law and 1 by R? So this is the basic formula getting. So since I can also be written as V by R or E by R, EMF by resistance also you can write, doesn't matter. So potential as well as EMF, anything can be possibility here. So E by R, 1 by R. Then that is the Millman's theorem. So you can create Millman's theorem by using this formula. What is that? So this is, we are finding the common potential. V common is equal to E1 by R1 plus E2 by R2 plus E3 by R3 whole divided by 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2 plus 1 by R3. Okay, just you need to substitute the values of these now and get the answer here. So how are you going to substitute the values? Let us see here. So you are just writing here. See, this is 28. So 28 divided by 4 plus how much here? There is no battery in this case, so you can write 0 by 2 plus how much you are writing here? V by R, that is 7 divided by 1. This is 1 by 2, 0 by 2 here. So 1 by R1, 1 by R1 is 1 by 4, 1 by R2 is nothing but 1 by 2 plus what is this? 1 by 1. So you can solve this one. Finally, you're getting common potential. How much you are going to common potential? If you want, you can calculate. You are getting 8 volts. So once you get a common potential, then this is potential which is common for this edges, this edges and this edges. That means you can take a common potential along this resistor across which we have to find out the current as VC, and this VC is going to be 8 volts. So once you get a common potential here, can't you find out the current here? Yes, you can find out the current. That is just simply I is equal to V common potential, which is common for all the three points here, all the three edges here, because potential is going to be same for a parallel connection. You know about that. So VC by R, what is VC? 8. And what is R? 2. So 4 ohms is the answer. How much time you have taken? Less than 10 seconds, I can say. So you can get this answer by using Millman's theorem instead of doing this waste Kirchhoff's law by applying all these loop currents, everything. So you will be in the loop only for 4 minutes, and if you want to come out of these useless loops, follow this easy Millman's theorem. And Millman is a smart man, okay, like you and me. Thank you very much. Subscribe to my channel, prescribe to your friends, describe your doubts in my comment section. Thank you very much. Welcome. I want to save your time. That is my prime interest. Thank you very much.